fiber optic cable is a type of cable that is made of a bundle of glass threads known as optical fiber. This cable enables transmission of data digitally at unimaginable high speed. These cables have already begun to replace the existing metal cables. Optical fiber or fiber optics refers to the medium and the technology associated with the transmission of information as light pulse along a glass or plastic strand or fiber. Optical fibers carry much more information as conventional copper wire and is in general not subject to electromagnetic interference and the need to retransmit signal.
Benefit of fiber optics. Replacing existing traditional medium, fiber optic technology is rapidly becoming the most sought after medium as well as an industrial standard in the field of telecommunication, computer networking, and the drive the home audiovisual equipment. The benefit of the fiber optic cable include 1. High level of compatibility with existing cabling technology relative of internet connection.
Higher bandwidth for faster and reliable data transfer.
More durability as compared to the metal cable.
Lesser susceptibility to outer interference for light and radio waves.
Capability to carry a strong audiovisual signal without distortion over a wide range of distance.